I am Muhammad KHALED Zubair Shad. I made this video clip for all. Now here is a recipe that can be used during the Thanksgiving season as well as the Christmas season. Although when it comes to food, and of course I know how to prepare all the recipes that I share with everyone every day, can be a holiday for me depending on what my taste is for a particular day. Every person's taste is different, and that is what makes the world go around, but there isn't much that I don't like when it comes to the sweet things. Remember, your ingredients should be at room temperature. 1–2/3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs slightly beaten, 1 cup sugar, 1 cups canned solid pack pumpkin, cup vegetable oil, 1/3 cup each walnuts and raisins. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease a 9x5-inch loaf pan. In a 5-quart mixing bowl, combine the first 5 ingredients, then add eggs, sugar, pumpkin, oil and mix until well combined, then add your nuts and raisins and mix until smooth. Pour your mix into the prepared loaf pan and bake for 70 minutes or until a pick placed into the center comes out clean. Cool in pan on wire rack 10 minutes, then remove from pan and continue to cool on same rack. Well, now it's time to eat it. Get out the butter and coffee and enjoy.